True happiness come from deep inside. True happiness, come and help me find. Hello, welcome with my next weekly dose of happiness. My name is Lenka and this time we're going to paint our next painting, which is called Happiness Comes from Acceptance. I had to borrow this literature from my children, but I think it did work. I think it did. I like it. Hope you like it too. I am talking about dark moments and trying to find happiness in our life. Something quite easy, but just a bit difficult. So let's crack on with the painting and see how is it going, and let's enjoy it. This picture is an order. It is from somebody who likes mountains, cats, and is very intelligent. So let's make it very special. I went on a run this morning on this beautiful view, and I was thinking why acceptance is beginning of the happiness. It's happened to me that in the past I was thinking I'm putting my own boundaries and telling children what is right and what is wrong. But I was causing myself so stress because they constantly are crossing these boundaries, and my husband. And then I realized that accepting just a teeny bit the things how they are, that the children are crazy a little bit and are noisy, it's better than just trying to fight and say, no, I don't want that. And I felt much happier and much better. So I would like to share with you this wisdom. I hope it's helpful, because I find it very helpful when I figure it out. I loved how did it ended. I wanted mountains. I wanted some powerful expression of a map, and I do feel it is having it. It is my beautiful trilogy of mountains. So I'm going to add my bike, my cats, my meaning on the top, and I could see this is going to end up fantastic.